How to fix Amazon app OTP not received. So if you're facing a problem with Amazon OTPs, then for example, if you have this kind of page, right? So if you enter the phone number or the email address, then you will get the code on your phone number or your email address. So if you don't receive that code, if you have not received that code, then what you can do is you can simply go back, and the first thing you need to do is you need to check your internet connection. So if you don't have the stable internet connection, then you might be facing this kind of problem. And after that, you can open up your settings, and the second thing you need to check is if your mobile or if your phone is not on do not disturb. So if you have kept your phone on silent or do not disturb mode, then you won't get that messages. And after checking that, you can scroll down and you can go for apps and notifications, and here you can tap on see all apps, and then you can search for messages, your messages application. And here after selecting, now you can go for notifications, which is on the first option. And here make sure that you have turned on your notifications on your messages app. So if you have turned that off, then you can turn that on by simply tapping on it. And you can go for advanced, which is on the last option. And here you can also tap on additional settings in the app, and then you can go for notifications, and again it will take you to the same page. So that's it. That's how you turn on your notifications, and after turning your notifications on, you might be able to get the code. Or the last option is the phone number that you are providing or the email address that you are providing is the correct email address or the correct phone number. So if you're providing the wrong email address or the wrong phone number, then the code might be given to that wrong phone number or that wrong email address. So make sure to enter the correct information. And that's it. That's how you fix that problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.